So today we're going to talk Blue Cat connector and how to use it specifically for Pro Tools into Logic back to Pro Tools. So go to View. This is what I found in the forum. Go to View, go to Edit, Window, Views, and then click Instruments so that you see this lovely, lovely, lovely instrument track that you don't know what it's for, but I'm going to show you. And then let me make this bigger. These are all my connector stuff. I'm gonna go Shift Option and then hit medium. Perfect. Let's go past reason into our connecting apps. So what they showed you there is that you do open up a MIDI track. You do try to connect it to Blue Cat connector, but it's probably not showing you this right now. It's probably only showing you MIDI chain. So what you do is you go into your instrument track that you created. It'll show you this instrument track. Go into there and select Logic Female Choir, Individual Targets, Blue Cat Audio, and Channel 1. And then that'll open this up for Logic Female Choir, Individual Channel, Blue Cat's Connector, Channel 1. And then you go into Blue Cat Connector, you put in the host, local host, you're sending MIDI information, not audio, and then let's bring in my Logic session. This is the female choir. Here's your BC connector app on this end. As you can see, it has PT Send 1 coming in. It's on the same port, 88080. And it's working. And then it has the other BC connector for the send on a different port, 8081, to local host, sending audio, not MIDI this time. Let's put that back. And what they teach you in their video, Blue Cat connector, is to create an audio track, and that doesn't work for me because when I go to record it, I guess I'll test it for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. When I go to hit, let's see, record. Oh wait, it would help if I turned on my piano. Do you see how like the wave is not showing up in the audio track right now? Now I'm just gonna undo that. I don't want that. Should have just command period did that, but I didn't. So anyways, so you can see how that's not working. So that's what they teach you in their video. So I'm going to teach you how it really works. So click instrument track in Pro Tools, Shift Command N to create a new track. You want a stereo aux track. That's right, stereo aux track. And you type in Logic Female Chamber Choir. Actually, hold on. Cancel that. I'm gonna rename this to Send 1. this is gonna stay there, and then we're going to now create a new stereo aux track and name that receive 1. Okay, now we're gonna move what they said to put on your audio track to this aux track instead. Okay, and then that should be receiving it from Blue Cat's connector, and then we're gonna send this little output over here to a bus, I think. Hold on. No, it's gonna be output. No, it's gonna be a track. Track, logic, female, chamber, choirs, stereo. That should be it. Then it goes to that track, and it comes out stereo, but 1, 2, and now we can record. It doesn't sound good, but we can see that we have wave. I'm gonna command period because I don't want to keep that. Okay. Yeah, that's what they missed. So yeah, you're welcome.